Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video we are going to see basic sentence starting with I am. In this first sentence we are going to see I am beautiful. Second sentence is the Tamil translation. நான் அழகாக இருக்கிறேன். Next I am a mother. நான் அம்மா. Third sentence I am healthy. நான் ஆரோக்கியமாக இருக்கிறேன். Fourth sentence I am singing. நான் பாடுகிறேன். Fifth sentence I am writing. நான் எழுதுகிறேன். Now complete sentence I am beautiful. I am your mother. I am healthy. I am singing. I am writing. I hope so guys you will be learning this 5 sentence for today, and also you will be knowing its meaning, and you can hear again the words pronunciation and its meaning if you're willing, and just make a self test whether you are knowing the meaning of these words at the end of the video. So thank you friends for watching our videos at our thoughts. Comment below your views. Thank you for watching.